Let's do this part, for example. So go and 2, 3, 4, R1, 2, 3, 4, R1. So remember, our goal in cha-cha-cha and in any other Latin dance except paso doble is to increase rotation, increase amount of rotation. So you can rotate 90 degree, maybe you can rotate 180 degree, maybe you can rotate 360 degree. So 360, it will be very, very good. So doing this step as you arrive here, so number one goal, to increase this rotation and keep, of course, those hips alive, but very, very turn. Very, very good. So now when you're going to, try to squeeze maximum out of this. So if you will pivot this foot here, and this knee actually, no, could look here, and your bum looks at me, that will be a nice amount of rotation. So now pivot your foot, 3, yeah, you can leave that leg behind you, that much. And now from here, you have to transfer your weight and also increase rotation to the maximum. Yes, you can put this heel down for now, yes, like this. And try to increase your bum rotation, yeah, as much as you can. And here is a count R1, so it could be a little bit faster. R1, but same time also as everything else, overturned. And then one more time. 2, 3, so a little bit smaller position. Transfer weight, 4, R1. Yeah, so one more time, this step. Got it? So your goal to increase rotation, that's only what you have to think about. So give me this leg forward, please. This leg forward, forward. Right. So going overturn twist and going 2, 3, 4, R1, 2, 3, 4, R1. Okay, next one. Do the step 2, change 3, very good, connection. Now keep your nails here, like I put a tape on your shoulder. So this hand stay here. Now turn, 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 R1, very good. And here, do this for me, little exercise. You go R1, 2, R1, 2, again and again, and R1, and here, put this arm here in a little bit unnatural way, like your nails, facing your body and trying to reach with the whole arm to the middle of your back. So do again this exercise. Here I go, R1, and. One more time. So stay, maybe give me this arm. Just do exercise. Go R1, and now by, yeah, do it again. Do it again. R1, and stop. And only after this, you're going to turn. So connect this arm and reach with this, all this muscle behind your back. That's going to be your turn. Turn, 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 turn. Keep it here. Now keep it there, and the same from the back. R1, and. Turn, 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 turn. And again, do R. Very good. So let's combine two movements together. Yeah, here we go. And 2, 3, 4, R1, 2, 3, 4, R1, and 3, 4, R1, and 2, and R3, 4, R1, and, no, one more. R1, and 2, and R3, 4, R1. Very good. One more time. Here, again, when you're doing this step, here, you don't need to focus on this knee here. This knee should face this way, behind you. Now leave this leg behind. Now from here, your job is to transfer weight, put this heel down, and of course over rotate, and then go ta-ta, rotate as much as you can. So focus on those. Right leg forward, here we go. And 2 and 3, 4, R1, 2 and 3, 4, R1, 2 and 3, 4, R1, and 2 and R3, 4, R1. They have one more. R1, watch. R1 and again. R1 and 2 and R3, 4, R1. One more time till you do it right. Right leg forward. And he, so already start from opening this leg as much as you can. Go 2 and 3 and 4, R1. 2 and 3, 4, R1. And 3, 4, R1. And 2 and 3, 4, R1. And 2 and 3, 4, R1. Better. Yeah, one more time. Still, this transferring of the weight is not the way I want it exactly. So go too slowly. Also, Connection is very important. So the feeling is like you're pressing arms down on the coffee table. This is a table, coffee table. Just stay connected with me. Yes. And go 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so here I would prefer to have this heel down,
Yeah.
like a fan position. 4, 4. Try to push this arch as high as you can. Very good, very good. And now from here, I would focus on how you will get this back foot around, all the way around. R1, yes, as much as possible here. Like put this foot, could you put it here? Yeah, ta-ta, behind yourself. So again, give me 4, give me 4, 4, R1, R1. Another thing, smaller is better. So when you have here, think about like you're not like you traveling somewhere, but stepping under you, under where you stay. So give me 4, go R1 under you. Now, very good. Even more like this. Yes, stay connected. And now give me more rotation now. 1, 2, boom, R1. Okay, I see. Two big step. Two big step. You'll see it on camera. When you get here, you're doing like this. Ta ta. That's why you cannot complete rotation. So from here, it's not about how much you travel, it's about how much you can rotate. So it's much easier when you're here to start turning your body and under you, step under you, where you are, under you, and go R1, where you are, right. And again, 2, 3, 4, where you are, R1, still too much for me. 3, 4, R1, that was better. Yeah, last time, let's go. Right leg forward, 7, 8, and 2, and 3, and 4, R1, 2, and 3, 4, R1, R3, 4, R1, and 2, and R3, 4, R1, and 2, and R3, 4, R1. That's better.